Good day, Ma'am Jane. Good day, classmates. I am Janela Grace Katubig, your next presenter, and I will be tackling the open innovation. But first, let us define the origins of open innovation. So the term open innovation was coined by Henry Chesbrough, Associate Professor and Head of the Open Innovation Center. According to Chesbrough, open innovation is a paradigm that assumes that firms should use external ideas as well as internal ideas and internal and external paths to market as the firms look to advance their technology. So, when we say open innovation, where the firms do not use the knowledge they have inside someone else well, and this is where the open innovation entrepreneur excel over the others. So the open innovation uses a rocket model to encourage external contributions. So ang rocket model is kuan na siya framework that helps organizations scale effective teamwork. Kanang like for nadiri makita nato nga kanang naay ideas, concepts. So mag-una ang ideas, concepts. Before sa concepts is you provide solutions. After sa solutions is protos. Adiri ang iyang characteristics, pull from market needs, external and internal contributions, and they focus on getting external contributions kay mamani si open innovation. Ang katoang definition ni Chesbrough nga, nag-use siya og internal ideas and external ideas. Wala nag-rely ang firm sa ilahang internal ideas, knowledge, or resources, but rather they are collaborating with external contributions or external partners to generate more knowledge or ideas para mas effective ang ilang pag-innovate sa ilang technology or sa ilang mga product bakaron in ana siya. So let's go to the next slide. Okay, so open innovation also have a key characteristics. First is the collaboration. Open innovation emphasize collaboration and partnerships with external entities such as customers, suppliers, research institutions, startups, and even competitors. So, gid nga makikollaborate jud ka, makikpartner jud ka. Sa outside, dili ka pwede nga mag-rely lang ka sa imong own resources or sources, but also you have to seek or makig-engage ka or makig-collaborate ka with other external partners. Kaya para makagain ka og more knowledge, expertise, and information. So, ana siya si collaboration. So, external inputs in open innovation, organizations actively seek external inputs and ideas to complement their internal research and development efforts. When we say external inputs, is that where organization also seek ideas and insights from outside their internal teams through customer feedback, licensing external knowledge, and also crowdsourcing solutions. So next is the knowledge sharing. Open innovation promotes the sharing of knowledge, information, and expertise across organizational boundaries. So the idea is that ang open innovation naga-promotes is naga-share of knowledge and also information and expertise across organizational boundaries. And the next one is the inbound and outbound innovation. Open innovation involves both inbound and outbound approaches. When we say inbound innovation, it refers to the acquisition of external ideas, technologies, and knowledge. So sa inbound is seek po siya og knowledge or ideas from the outside, external environment. While outbound innovation is nag-focus lang siya on leveraging internal assets by licensing or commercializing them with external partners. So, moto siya, and let's go with the iterative and agile. When we say iterative and agile, so ang open innovation, they recognize that the innovation process is iterative and often requires flexibility and adaptation. It encourages continuous learning, experimentation, and feedback loops to refine and improve ideas and solutions. So, ang iterative and agile is that ang open innovation is that they recognize the innovation process and often requires flexibility and adaptation. So, kinahanglan nga i-experiment, mag-gather kag feedback, kung unsaon nimo pag, for example, nag-launch kag product, tapos, or nag-sell ba ka karon. So, ang imong buhaton is, mag-research pa man ka, mag-market research pa ka, mag-conduct pa kag market research, mag-gather pa ka og feedback sa mga customers. Kung kisa imong target nga, market, mag-gather kay sa lag feedback, kay para, makakuan ka kung unsa pay angay nga i-improve, or unsa pay angay nga i-refine, or makagather kay sa lag ideas. And next is the ecosystem development. Open innovation fosters the development of innovation ecosystems, where organizations can connect, collaborate, and share resources. When we say ecosystem development is that an open innovation is that they are connecting, collaborating, and sharing resources with external partners. Umano siyang giingon nga innovation ecosystems. Next is the risks and reward sharing. Open innovation acknowledge that risks and rewards associated with innovation can be shared among different partners. So, ana siya, no, namapod na siya naka-advantage po sa open innovation is that nag-acknowledge sila og mga rewards or risks nga associate sa innovation and also that can be shared among different partners. Next is the customer-centric approach. Open innovation places a strong emphasis on understanding customer needs and involving customers in the innovation process. So, customer-centric approach is that ang open innovation is that they are emphasizing the understanding the customer needs. So, ang diriya kini nga approach is that you are understanding kung unsa man gyud ang needs sa imong needs, wants, preferences sa imong customers nga angay nimo nila i-provide. Kay dili makapwede mag-business kung wala ka kabalo kung unsa ang needs, wants, and preferences sa imong customers. So, that's all for my part. Thank you.